Let me show you how we can enter and exit the recovery mode on iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. So in order to enter the recovery mode, we will need to connect our iPhone to our computer by using a USB cable. So let's plug the cable in, connect your iPhone to your computer. And now what we need to do is we need to turn off our iPhone. So I'm gonna use volume down and side button, just hold for a couple of seconds, and then we're gonna slide over here in order to shut down our iPhone. Now we need to patiently wait for our iPhone to completely turn off. This might take you a couple of seconds. And after that time, you can just start pressing and holding the side button. So let me do that. I'm gonna press and hold the side button. And what you need to do is you need to keep holding the button until you are in the recovery mode. So even if you see the Apple logo, you want to keep holding. And there we go. Now we are in the recovery mode. And that's pretty much it. This is how we can go into the recovery mode. And if you want to exit the recovery mode, you just have to press and hold the side button again until you see the Apple logo. So we're gonna press and hold it. The screen turns off, but just keep holding it until you see the Apple logo. And soon we should be able to see it. If nothing happens after like 10, maybe 15 seconds, then you can release the side button and press and hold it again. But I believe that if we just keep holding it, eventually we should be able to see the Apple logo again. Okay, nothing happens, so I'm just gonna press and hold it again. There we go. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.